Charlie. There's Charlie. Get him. You looking for a nipple? You are? You can't get up here, you're too little. Get him. Charlie, get her. Well, Charlie, what do you think about that little brat? Huh? She likes your face. She's a little bitty brat. And then there was Theo. There's Theo looking out the window. That's what he does best. Back to the dogs. Oh, Theo is a dog. Get her! Get her! Lily! Where are you? I can't find her. I guess she's gone.